Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. Guys, today's topic is related with steel structure, especially in beam. Because many students they comments box and they are asking for lapping zone and beam. Sir, what is lapping zone and beam? Guys, the topic is short but it's very important, right? So today I will guide you what is lapping zone. Means where is the best place in which we can provide lapping length in RCC beam, if that is top or if that is bottom beam. So let's start guys. If this video is helpful for you, so don't forget to like this video. So guys, as you know, the topic is lapping zone and beam, and here you can see guys, this is a top beam or bottom beam, okay, or plinth beam you can say, okay. So here what is the lapping zone where we can provide? So first of all, what is lapping zone? Guys, the lapping zone is a place where we can provide lapping length for insufficient steel bar. As you know, from factory we have the standard length of steel that is 12 meter. So for example, if we require the length of steel for RCC beam, if that is for example 19 or 20 or for example 18 meter steel we require to place in beam, okay. So there we need to overlap one steel bar to another to get the full length of longitudinal bar, okay. So for that we use overlapping for insufficient steel, okay. If we don't have more steel, the length of more steel, because from factory we have 12 meter standard, so there we overlap one steel bar to another. So where we can overlap the steel bar, where we can get lapping length and beam. So guys, here I will show you the places, okay, in which you can provide the lapping length. So that is called lapping zone. So here guys, we have a place. The first one is here, this point, this is lapping zone, and here you can see guys, this is the lapping zone, and also you can see guys, this is lapping zone. Now I will also guide you how these are lapping zone. As you know guys, for example, we have a beam. Suppose this is okay, so guys, this is beam you can see, and this is column, okay. This is also column, supports these are, okay. So here guys, this is a beam, okay, and this is support. Support is what? Column, okay. So guys, when the load comes on the beam, how? For example, like this, when the load comes, so this steel bar guys, you can see this is the bottom steel bar. This dotted line can show you the steel bar, okay. So guys, when the load comes on the beam, so this steel bar make a shape same like this, okay. So guys, when we provide lapping zone here at the mid, if we provide here the lapping zone at this point, so it means the beam will be fail after some time, because this is not the place to provide what? Lapping length. This is not a lapping zone. You can see guys, I didn't mention at the bottom bar. This is not the place to use lapping length. This is not a lapping zone, okay. So guys, you can see when the load comes, so the steel shape becomes same like this. So here, this is not the place to use lapping length, because here at this point, at the midpoint, we have maximum bending moment. So never provide lapping length at the mid for beam, okay. But here guys, you can see at the top we can provide and top section. So I will also, let me show you here, this is the section of beam. For example guys, we have 4 numbers of steel bars at the bottom or 3 at the top, okay. So guys, here this is tension member, okay. These are tension bars. The bottom bars are also called tension bars, and the top bars are called compression member, okay. So these are compression bars, So guys, here at the top we can provide lapping length. Okay, so how you can provide? So first of all, you can see guys, here this length, the total length of the beam, this total length. Guys, you can see L by 8 and also L by 8. For example, so here also here to this side L by 8 and also to this side L by 8. So guys, here you can get from this point to this point. You can provide the lapping length with L by 8 distance. Okay, so if you want to provide here, okay, if you don't want to place, so you can provide to here or you can provide to here. But these are the lapping zone in beam. But you should not come from here to this side. Okay, you can't provide to this point or you can't provide more than this point. Okay, but L by 4 distance you can keep the steel bar lapping. So guys, this is the very important point, but I forgot it at the start that this knowledge I can tell you from ACI code, American Concrete Institute 318-21. Okay, so you can get this information from ACI 318-21. In this you can find this knowledge that the lapping length should not be provided at the mid and beam. This is not the lapping zone, but the top portion is. In the top portion you can provide at the mid. Okay, but at the top you can't provide here at this point. Okay, in compression member, but in tension member you can provide with L by 8 distance. Okay, so it should not be more than, so for example, so if you want to use, as I told you here, this is just the example. Okay, so when this steel bar is coming here, so this is L by 4. Okay, so when this steel bar is coming here, same like this. Okay, and now we don't have the steel bar, so here we will here start the lapping zone. Okay, the lapping here, this is the point. Okay, but we will not provide from here because we have the L by 4 distance from here to here, 1 meter. Okay, so you can see we can't provide from here, but we can provide at this point or at this point or at this point, but we cannot provide at the mid, we cannot provide at this point. Okay, so otherwise the beam will be fail after some time. Okay, so guys, this is the informations which I have discussed in front of you, but remember one thing other, that the lapping length should not be provided at the same point. So let me show you at the from the top. So you can see, guys, this is the top of beam. Okay, so here, guys, you can see this is the lapping zone and this is the lapping zone. Okay, so if you are using at the bottom, I am talking about. Okay, so here the one steel bar should be overlap at this point. Okay, so it should be overlap same like this. Okay, but the other steel bar should not be provide or overlap at the same point, but the other should be provide same like this, as you can see. Okay, here it will be overlap to this side. Okay, because we have more length in building, okay, in steel structure, so therefore the other steel bar should be overlap here. Now the other will be overlap same like this here. Okay, and also this one, for example, this one. Okay, like this. So at the same point we cannot provide lapping length. Okay, so guys, this is the very important information which I have discussed the front of you. What is the lapping zone in beam, and where we can provide, or what is the correct place to provide lapping length. So guys, if you have any question about this video, so you can comment. I will try to reply your answer. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.